Good morning, children. Today, let us study mark work. In this mark work, we want to know state having lowest sex ratio, that is Haryana. Where it is located? It is located here. Haryana. State having lowest sex ratio, that is Haryana, located here. Haryana. Next, largest state according to area. Largest state according to area. Which is the largest state according to area? Rajasthan. We want to mark here. Rajasthan. First one, state having lowest sex ratio, that is Haryana. Next one, this is the first one. Second one, largest state according to area. Largest state according to area, which is that Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state having area. Area wise, if we look, the largest state, that is Rajasthan. Second one. And the third one, smallest state according to the largest state according to area, that is nothing but Rajasthan. Second one, smallest state according to area. Smallest state. Third one, smallest state according to area. According to area, which is the smallest state? Goa. Smallest state according to area, that is Goa. Where we can locate this Goa? That is the third one. Where we can locate the Goa? We can locate it here. Here, that is Goa. It's located here. Goa. That is the third one. Which is the third one? Smallest state according to area. Smallest state according to area, which is which one? Goa. Where it is located? It is located here. Here you can see that Goa. This area, that is Goa. That is the smallest state according to area. First one, state having lowest sex ratio, that is Haryana. Second one, largest state according to area, Rajasthan. Where it is located? Located here. Next, third one, smallest state according to area. Which is the smallest state according to area? That is Goa. Where it is located? It is located here. Goa, that is located here. First one, state having lowest sex ratio, that is Haryana. Second one, largest state according to area, that is Rajasthan. Where it is located? It is located here. Next, third one, which is the smallest state according to area, that is Goa. Where it is located? It is located here. Next, state having highest sex ratio. Fourth one, state having highest sex ratio. Which is that state having highest sex ratio? Which is that? That is Kerala. State having highest sex ratio, that is Kerala. You know it very well. Where it is located? It is located here. It's Kerala. Fourth one, Kerala. Fourth one, that is Kerala. State having highest sex ratio. Where? Kerala. Where it is located? It is located here. First one, state having lowest sex ratio. Where it is? That is Haryana. Where it is located? It is located here. Next one, state largest state according to area. That is Rajasthan. Where it is located? It is located here. Third one, which is the smallest state according to area, smallest state according to area, Goa. Where it is located? It is located here. And fourth one, state having highest sex ratio. Where it is? That is in Kerala. That is located here. Never forget about these. Sometimes in examination they ask. An examination never ask Goa to locate Goa, Rajasthan, Haryana or Kerala. Never ask to locate. Instead of this, question may ask like this, state having lowest sex ratio. That time you find the answer. That is Haryana. Understood? In directly you no need to point out because that type of question sometimes will not ask. Sometimes will not ask such a type of question to locate Haryana, Rajasthan. Like that, never. Sometimes will not ask. Instead of this, questions may ask like this: lowest state having lowest sex ratio. State having lowest sex ratio. You know that is Haryana. You can locate one. And first one Haryana. Like that you can locate. Rather than sometimes you will not ask direct question. Instead of direct question, sometimes may ask like this: state having lowest sex ratio. You know the answer. That is Haryana. Then point out to one here. That is the first question. So that point out to one and write Haryana. So next second question. Sometimes that is the second question. Sometimes asking about Rajasthan. Directly will not ask about locate Rajasthan. Instead of this, question may ask largest state according to area. Largest state according to area. Likewise, questions may ask. You know the answer. That is Rajasthan. Then you will locate Rajasthan. Second one. That is the second question. So that is Rajasthan. You can locate the second and write Rajasthan. You can write Rajasthan. Third question. Which is the smallest state according to area? Smallest state according to area. That time you know the answer. Goa. That is nothing but Goa. You know it very well. Then you locate it. Question number 3. That is Goa. Where you located? You locate here. That is Goa is situated here. Next fourth question. That is question never asked to locate Kerala. Instead of question may ask like this. State having highest sex ratio. State having highest sex ratio. State having highest sex ratio. That time you know the answer. That is nothing but Kerala. So that you can point out or locate here. That is what one. That is Kerala. That is nothing but Kerala. I hope that you understood this location of these places of Haryana, then Rajasthan, then Goa, then Kerala. I hope that you understood. Next mark, we want to study about locate and label the following cities. Sometimes we ask locate and mark the following cities. Locate and label the following. Locate and label the following cities, or locate and mark the following cities. Any type of questions may ask. So I am going to write now. Okay, listen. Next, on the outline map of the question may ask like this: on the outline map of India, locate and label the following cities. Likewise, question may ask that which city's name will be mentioned here that you locate in Indian outline. In India's outline, you locate and label the cities. Which are the cities that will be given in your question paper? As per that, you can locate in your outline map of India. For example, that here first one, Thiruvananthapuram. Second one, first one Thiruvananthapuram. Second one Chennai. Third one, that is Delhi. Fourth one, that is Kolkata. Fifth one, that is Shillong. Sixth one, that is Jodhpur. Seventh one, that is Bangalore. That is the new name of Bangalore. You know it very well. Bangalore. That is nothing but a Bangalore. That is the new name of Bangalore. Bengaluru. Then Nagpur. You know about Nagpur. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur. These are the main cities. These are the main cities. In question may ask like this. Listen very carefully. Question may ask like this. On the given map of India or on the outline map of India, locate and label the following cities. Then the cities will be given. Like this: Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Shillong, Jodhpur, Bengaluru, Nagpur. Like that question may ask. That time what you do? You locate and label the cities given here. Sometimes these type of questions may ask. So these are the expected questions. So these cities you want to locate it. First one, this is the first one. That is nothing but the Thiruvananthapuram. Where it is located, you know in Thiruvananthapuram very well. That is in our state. That is Thiruvananthapuram. Here, Thiruvananthapuram. First one. Which is the first question? Locate and label the cities with the following cities. First one, Thiruvananthapuram. So locate here also one. Thiruvananthapuram. Second one, which is the second one? Chennai. You have to locate and label Chennai. Where it is located? That is in Tamil Nadu. You know it very well. That is Chennai. Second one, Chennai. That is Chennai. Second one, that is Chennai. Where you have to locate? You have to locate here. Which is the second one? That is Chennai. Which is the second city mentioned here? That is Chennai. Where you have to locate? You have to locate here. That is Chennai. Third one. Which is the third one? Look here. Which is the third one? That is Delhi. What is the importance of Delhi? That is the capital city of our country. That is the capital city. So that is Delhi. It had a strategic importance. Delhi. That is that had a strategic importance. That is capital city. So Delhi, you are to mark Delhi. Which is the third city located here? Delhi. Third one. Next, fourth one. Which is the fourth one? That is Kolkata. That is the main city. That is also the main city in India. That is Kolkata. Where you have to locate here. That is fourth one. That is Kolkata. That is the third one. Kolkata. That is the fourth one. Fourth one, that is Kolkata. Fourth one, the main city. Where we have to locate? You have to locate here. That is Kolkata city. Next, which one is given here? Fifth one, that is Shillong. Where it is situated? Where is Shillong? That is situated. The Shillong that is situated here. Question number 5. So you write here 5. So which is that fifth one? Shillong. Write Shillong. That is the fifth one. Which is the fifth city mentioned here? That is Shillong. Where it is located? It is located here. So that is the fifth one. That is Shillong. You have to locate here. That is Shillong. And the sixth one, we want to write the sixth one. We want to locate and label the sixth one. What is the sixth question? That is Jodhpur. We want to mark Jodhpur. Where it is located? It is located here, Jodhpur. That you can locate here. That is Jodhpur. Sixth one. Sixth one is, what is the sixth question? Look the sixth question. Look the sixth question. What is the sixth question? That is Jodhpur. Where you have to locate? You have to locate here. That is Jodhpur. That is Jodhpur. That is Jodhpur. Next, you look here. Seventh one. Seventh question. Look, which city? Bengaluru. Bengaluru. We want to mark Bengaluru. Bengaluru. That is the seventh question that we want to locate here. Then where is Bengaluru? Karnataka. You know that Karnataka. Bengaluru. That we want to locate here. Bengaluru. That is the seventh one. Seventh one. That is Bengaluru. 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 That is Bangalore. Earlier name Bangalore. Now Bengaluru. Bengaluru. That is the seventh one. And the eighth one. That eighth city here mentioned that is Nagpur. Nagpur. I told you earlier that Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur, where it is located? Nagpur. Here Nagpur is located. Here Nagpur is located. Question number 8. Question number 8. That's last one. Nagpur. Nagpur is located here. Eighth question, which is the eighth question, Nagpur. Once again, we want to revise. In examination, may ask you, locate and label the following cities. Sometimes may ask you, locate and mark the following cities. Any type of questions may ask. That type, cities will be given. The name of that cities will be given. You have to locate where it is, which are the areas that it is located. You have to mention and you have to locate and label it. First one, where it is located here. Second one, Chennai, where it is? Chennai is situated here. Third one, which is the third one? That is Delhi. Delhi is located here. And fourth one, which is the fourth question? That is Kolkata. Where it is located? It is located here. So, and fifth one, which is the main city in the fifth question? That is Shillong. Shillong is located here. And sixth one, look at the sixth question. That is Jodhpur. Where it is located? Jodhpur is located. Jodhpur is located here. That is Jodhpur. And the seventh one, Bengaluru. Bengaluru, where it is located? It is located here. So that is Bengaluru. Next, eighth one, Nagpur. Nagpur, where it is located? Eighth one, Nagpur is located here. So these are the main cities in India. Which are the main cities here located? Which are the main cities located here? Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Shillong, Jodhpur, Bengaluru, and Nagpur. These are the cities located here. I hope that you understood it very well. Once again, I will show that. First one, Thiruvananthapuram. Second, Chennai. Third, Delhi. Fourth, Kolkata. Fifth, Shillong. Sixth, Jodhpur. Seventh, Bengaluru. Eighth, Nagpur. These are the main cities located here. These are the main cities that located here. You never forget. If such type of questions will ask, you definitely locate and label it and score well. Next map, we want to know the next map. Next map we want to know. Next examination, we can easily score 5 marks. Easily we can score 5 marks. If we write an essay, you have to write more. You have to find more points. So it's very difficult to, moreover it is very difficult to get 5 marks. But if you mark and locate 5 places that is given in our outline map, that is given in the map, definitely you will get 5 marks. Even half mark also will not reduce, because if you mark and locate correctly, if you locate it perfect manner, definitely you will get 5 mark. You never lose any mark. You never lose even half mark also. So you concentrate to locate these places, locate this mark. You practice it several times. You practice it several times. If you practice, definitely you will get 5 mark. You can achieve 5 mark. You will get 5 marks. Next, we want to know about the major rivers in India. Major rivers in India. Many rivers are there in India, but we are locating the major rivers. Locating the major rivers. Major rivers. So, major rivers we want to know. First one, Ular Lake. You have heard about Ular Lake, Sambar Lake, etc. First one we want to know about is Ular Lakes. First one we want to know about the lakes, rivers and lakes. So first one lake, that is Ular Lake. Ular Lake. We want to know about the lakes and the rivers. So first one, Ular Lake. Where it is located? Ular Lake, that is located here. Ular Lake. Ular Lake, that is located here. First one, what is that? Ular Lake. That is where it is located? It is located here. That is Ular Lake. Second one that we want to know, that is first one, Ular Lake. Second one. Which is the second one? The second one is Sambar Lake. You may like Sambar. Here you remember that Sambar, so that you will get that name. Sambar Lake. Second one is Sambar Lake. Where it is located? It is located here. Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake. Second one is Sambar Lake. Which is the second one? Which is the second one? Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake. Second one, that is Sambar Lake. Next, third one. First one, which is the first one? That is Ular Lake. Second one, Sambar Lake. Where it is located? It is located here. And the third one is, we want to locate next. These are the lakes. Many lakes are there. We are pointing the important lakes. Next, we want to mark the river. First we want to know about the river, that is river Ganga. Ganga river has been called as the holy river. It has been said as holy river. This river Ganga. River Ganga, that is flowing like this. River Ganga. River Ganga. River Ganga has been called as holy river, Ganga river. But earlier, you know that most polluted river, that is Ganga river, but now things changing. And they are trying to remove all the waste materials from this holy river, Ganga river, and now want to make it again as holy river. So anyway, that is river Ganga. Which third one, which is the third one? That is river Ganga. River Ganga. And river, that is holy river, that is river Ganga. And fourth one, that is river Narmada. River Narmada. And the fourth river, we want to locate where it stands. We want to locate it. Where this river Narmada stands, we want to locate. That is, you can see this is the river Narmada. River Narmada. River Narmada, that goes in this direction. That river Narmada goes in this direction. Which is the fourth one? River Narmada. River Narmada. Where it stands? It stands here. It stands here. It flows. This river Narmada flows in this direction. River Narmada flows in this direction. River Narmada that flows in this direction. That is river Narmada. Next, we want to know another river, important river that we want to locate. And we want to locate where it stands or where it flows. That is river Krishna. Fifth one, river Krishna. River Krishna. River Krishna. So, and the fifth one, that is river Krishna. River Krishna, where it is located? It is located here, river Krishna. Krishna river. Krishna river, river Krishna. Which is the fifth one? Fifth one, that is river Krishna. River Krishna, you know it, river Krishna. That is Krishna river. You know Kaveri river, you know that Kaveri river that lies in between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So that is why these for Kaveri water they make water. Kaveri water they were fighting. Which states they fight for Kaveri water? It is from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. They were fighting for river Kaveri water, for Kaveri water. Next we want to locate the Vembanad lake. Next, you know very well that Vembanad lake. It is Vembanad lake. Sixth we want to locate Vembanad lake. Vembanad lake. Where it is located? You know it very well, Vembanad. Sometimes you may visit it. Sometimes you may visit this Vembanad lake in Kerala. This Vembanad lake. Vembanad lake. Sixth one, Vembanad lake. Vembanad lake. Which is the sixth one? Vembanad lake. What is lake? Lake means lagoons or backwaters. Backwaters of the sea we can call it as lake or lagoons. Lake or lagoons, that is the backwaters of the sea, that we can call it as lagoons. You know that in Kerala, how many rivers are there in Kerala? There are 44 rivers are there in Kerala. Which are the two types of rivers? Mainly we can divide rivers into two. Rain-fed rivers and snow-fed rivers. Rain-fed rivers and snow-fed rivers. What is rain-fed river? Rain-fed means these rivers originate with the help of rain. These rivers originate with the help of rain, that we can call it as rain-fed rivers. Example, rivers in Kerala. How many rivers are there in Kerala? 44 rivers are there. These are rain-fed rivers. What is snow-fed rivers in Himalayas and other regions? You know that the ices, these glacier melt, or this ice melt and forms these rivers that we can call it as snow-fed rivers. Himalayan rivers are called snow-fed rivers. Ganga. So these rivers that we can call it as which river? That is snow-fed rivers. Yes, these are all. But in Kerala, all rivers originate with the help of rain. As per we get enough or adequate rain, that is why all these rivers, that is from this rain. That is rain-fed river. So we can call it as rain-fed rivers. So today what we located today, major rivers and lakes. Which are the major rivers and lakes? Here we located Mular Lake. Where it is located? First one, Mular Lake. Second one, Sambar Lake. Here. Third one, what is that? River Ganga. Third one, River Ganga. Fourth one, River Narmada. Look here, River Narmada. Next, fifth one, River Krishna. Where it is located? Fifth one, that is River Krishna. That is located here. Next, sixth one, look at Vembanad Lake. Sometimes you may visit Vembanad Lake. Sometimes you may visit Vembanad Lake. Sixth one, that is Vembanad Lake. Never forget. Buddha Lake, Rama Lake, River Ganga, River Narmada, River Krishna, and Vemanadu Lake. Never forget these maps. You have to locate it properly so that you will get marks. In examination, normally we will ask 5 places, 5 areas, 5 places or 5 areas or 5 rivers, 5 lakes or anything like that. Anyway, 5 questions may ask. In these 5 questions, you have to locate. You can locate and you can mark and locate these lakes, rivers, then main cities. Today, what we learned first we learned about the state having highest sex ratio. Which state? Haryana. Second, that is the largest state according to area. Which one? Which is the state largest area? Largest state according to area. Which state? That is Rajasthan. You located it. Okay. Next, third one, smallest state according to area. Which is the smallest state according to area? Goa. You have to locate also. Not only answer, but also you locate. Next, fourth one, state having highest sex ratio. Which state? Kerala. You must locate Kerala also. And the second map, we learned that the main cities in India. Which are the main cities we studied or we learned, we located? That is Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, then Shillong, then Jodhpur, then Bengaluru and Nagpur. Now we learned major rivers and lakes. Major rivers and lakes. Which are the major rivers and lakes? First one, Guna Lake. Second one, Sama Lake. Third one, River Ganga. Fourth one, River Narmada. Fifth one, River Krishna. Sixth one, Vemanadu Lake. Where it is located? Listen to it. First one, Guna Lake. Second one, Sama Lake. Third one, River Ganga. Fourth one, that is River Narmada. Fifth one, River Krishna. Sixth one, Vemanadu Lake. These are the rivers and lakes located. You locate it properly so that you will get 5 marks. Easily you will get 5 marks. Okay. I hope that you understood it very well. Next, in the class 9, not only India's outline and map, geographical map of India, that is India map only. Geographically you have to mark all this. Other than this, several lessons from history is there. Several lessons from history also map may ask. From history also map may ask. For example, map of France. I will draw the map of France and locate the places. In examination, sometimes may ask the European map. That European map will be provided you for locating and labeling it. For locating and labeling, Europe also may sometimes may ask. If that map may ask, you have to locate and label it so that you will get 5 marks. Easily, you will get easily 5 marks without any hard work. Without any hard work. Just practice it. Just 3-4 times, 5 times if you practice, definitely you will get 5 marks. So, practice is very essential. Practice making perfect. So, next to France. Next one, that is France. Next, we will study about France.